So CDL are a UK-based insurtech, and the UK insurance market is one of the most sophisticated and advanced marketplaces in the world. Our customer base and the market demands the ability to deliver quickly and to take advantage of new technologies. And when we looked at partnering with an outsource provider, we were looking for a partner that could be able to put together teams quickly and that we could keep those teams over the long term.
So in the UK market, we saw challenges around accessing skills and being able to scale effectively. So we looked at a number of locations, a number of different partners and options, and chose NashTech as our partner to help us to scale and solve some of those challenges. It gives us access to a lot of skills, a lot more people, and quite quickly. So if we need to scale, then we know we can come to NashTech and access those skills very, very quickly and efficiently. And we're always learning in terms of both ways, in terms of how NashTech work, how we can evolve our processes, work more effectively with the NashTech teams, embed across the time differences and things like that.
Competitive advantage is one thing that our customers look for in the solutions that we provide to them, and they need that to win in our market. Technology is ever changing, and we work very closely both from an operational perspective and a strategic perspective with the teams here in NashTech. And operationally, we rely on a number of different elements of that partnership. The first one being the governance, so that we actually have the right engagement and the right processes to make sure that we work effectively together to deliver projects quickly. But we also look for that strategic view in terms of what's changing and how can we adopt and adapt to taking advantage of those innovations. We have a really good relationship with the teams across the board, and I think that's trust and that sort of insight is built up over the course of the long term, and I think that really sets NashTech apart for us.
So we looked at a lot of different locations, a lot of different options, and we came out to Vietnam to see NashTech set up, and we were incredibly impressed with the culture and the approach that NashTech had, and it was the obvious choice for us.
The thing that impressed me most about Vietnam is the way that education is a critical feature. We at CDL always adopt a learning mindset, and we see that in Vietnam, and that's what we really love about it.
The drive on education and skills and attention to detail, quality, and the work ethic really comes through. So I think it's been a really good journey. So it's all about change and iterating and continuing to learn, and we work closely with NashTech to understand new tooling, new approaches, so things like AI, as that comes in, how we can both embed those things. So it's a continually evolving journey.